Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post 4 beauty related videos a week. If that's the kind of content you like, then please subscribe down below because I have a giveaway going on. So please head over to that video after you've watched this one to go and enter that because I've got a few goodies going into that. So yeah, but in this video we are going to be unboxing this chocolate revolution box. Now this is like one of their gift sets for Christmas. It originally cost £80, but it's on offer in Superdrugs for £60. With my student discount I got it for £54. So for £54 I got this huge box. So let's just dive straight into it, and first what you need to do is take off the sleeve. It's actually called the Chocolate Selection Box of Dreams. Now it has like the ingredients of the shadow palettes on the back here. It's in the shade Milk Chocolate apparently. But yeah, once you open it, it still has like the little logo on the front, and then it kind of just opens up like this. So I'm just going to show you in order. So the first thing we've got, I'm very excited for, is this Chocolate Revolution eyeshadow palette, which just looks like this. It is huge, it's got some weight to it. And you know what, it reminds me of the Honey Lost palette that they've just come out with, and that's £12 on Rev and £10 on Boots. So it is mahoosive, and you know they're really enjoying their massive palettes. And do you know what I like about this is there's so many mattes in here. This is so good, and there's no names. I don't really care for names, like I'll just like show you which shade, but it is really heavy and weighted, and it's got a mirror. And look at the outside packaging, it matches the box, so you can always remember where you got this from. But really impressed with this just already. The next item we have here is a chocolate milk fixing spray. Just wanna, it's got that like fake chocolate scent to it, like it's not a proper chocolatey scent. Should we just try it anyway? Whoa! It is a thick mist. I feel like I didn't get any over here. Oh, okay. It is a thick mist and it's still drying. I feel more glowy, and it smells of cocoa, not like chocolate but cocoa. Yeah, I feel like it's made me more glowy. I'm not mad at that. We've got a bit of garbage to get rid of. And then this is what the second layer looks like, and I think this is actually the last layer. So I go for something boring, which is this I Heart Revolution mirror. To be fair, I don't have any small mirrors, so kind of glad I own one. But if you get many of these sets like Alex does, then you're going to own loads of these mirrors. And I've got another set on the way, which is the XX one, and I know there's a mirror in there, so I'm going to have two. But it is a lovely pocket mirror, and do you know what, I do switch up my bag, so having two isn't too bad, but any more than that would be too much. So I do love the design on that. Okay, I'm usually not a fan of brushes, but these are full size in a gift set just because I know what brushes I like. But again, I can appreciate the design on here. So you've got like a flat synthetic brush, an angled synthetic brush, and a blending brush, and they feel really nice. So, and they've got like the same design going across, so I will possibly enjoy using them. It's a bit like not as movable as some other brushes, but do you know what, we'll give these a go. Then you get a lip gloss called Ginger. I do love their lip glosses. Oh, it's very chocolatey, and that is the colour there. It's like a pinky shade, even though it looks more brown, it's like a pinkier brown. And again, the packaging, absolutely stunning. Now this is more of a cooler toned lip gloss, and it's in the shade Berry. Oh, it's more like a clear. It's like a clear lip gloss, which is okay. With a little bit of colour to it. Again, smells like chocolate, so absolutely love that. Now we're into my favourite part, which is the little chocolate bar palettes. We have ginger and orange. This is what ginger and orange looks like. There is 6 mattes in here. Front looks like this. It's like more of like a corally colour, and you know what? I actually like this palette, and Let's swatch this shade here called Zing. But you know I'm going to be using these in a... I love the chocolate bar palettes, and that is the reason why, because they're so pigmented. Then we have Berry Meringue. This is more of like a pink toned palette. It looks absolutely gorgeous. There's some purples in there, pinks in there, about 7 or 8 mattes again, so a lot of shimmers. But do you know what? I'm going to try and do a look where I use a bit more shimmers than I usually do. But this looks really nice, and look at that shade called Peak. Sorry, I didn't actually swatch it properly. Like a nice bronzy gold. Again, cannot wait to use this. Okay, the mini palettes. I'm absolutely excited for the minis. Now this one is in the shade Violet Crush. So it's like a mini of their Violet palette. And this has got 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. And it just looks absolutely adorable. Like, let's swatch this shade. Looks really nice. I don't think I swatched it that well. But look at that. I can't wait to play with this. So please let me know if there's any palettes you really want me to test first, and I will do that. Oh, then we've got Champagne Truffle, which seems to be a face palette. Oh my god, it's got a gold highlight. Of course it's got the little drips in it. I've just ruined the drips there, but you can see the drips in that one. That was a very crumbly texture. However, very pigmented. I cannot wait to put that on my face. Let me see what the darker one looks like. Again, crumbly texture, and it's just above that one, so it's right there. Looks stunning. Do you know what? Once it's on your face, it's on your face, and you can use a fixing spray just to make it melt in. That spray has really made me look glowy. Another face palette. This is the Hot Chocolate Contour palette. And you've got a nice like bronzer and contour shade. Again, I wish these gift sets do not bring out face palettes, just because it's hard to cater to all skin tones. So if you do put something in there that not every skin tone can use, kind of limits your marketing. So, and it's not nice. I would like, maybe you'd have like a light, medium, dark range, so people know that's the kind of face palette they're going to get in there. I really like this bronzer. I think that would be a really nice shade for me right there. And then contours I don't really use that much. I feel like they just look muddy. So I would probably get more use out of the bronzer in this than the contour. I'm just not a contour person. But again, I can appreciate this, and I really would like it if they just did more colours. Okay, that was everything in this box. Now there are 13 items in here, and it just looks like this. Now let me just take off the big palette. I absolutely think this is my favourite palette out of item out of this whole box. That is what the box is looking like. You have, like I said, 13 items, £54. That's like £4 or £5 an item, which I think is incredible considering look how big this palette is. You get 2 more eyeshadow palettes, then you get a mini, 2 face palettes, 2 lip glosses, 3 brushes. What are you doing? My dog's up to something. A pocket mirror, a face mist. Like, the mist on this face mist is really like harsh, so really hold it away from you as much as possible. I'm so excited for this gift set, and if I got this for Christmas, I would be extremely happy. I think it's worth the £54. I don't like the fact there's brushes in there. I don't like the fact that there's face palettes in there. I wish the face palettes were catered to more skin tones, but then last year they did do 2 different face palettes in their sets where they had like blush, contour, highlight in it, and a lot of people I know give them away. They don't really use them, whereas I really do enjoy them. I just wish maybe they just did light, medium, dark, however many more, maybe 5 different, I don't know, but or just don't put face palettes in. But I do love this box, and I personally will get a lot of use out of these items. And like I said, my favourite is this thing here. It is absolutely, I've already got it messy with eyeshadow from my fingers, but this is my favourite item out of the box. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and go enter that giveaway. I'm not going to stop saying it until at the end of the month. And thank you so much to everyone who is subscribed. I'm so thankful, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.